Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the safety of crypto companies, and specifically, Newton. I've been getting a lot of questions about Newton lately, and I wanted to take some time to address them. I've also been doing a lot of research on the topic of crypto safety, and I think I have a pretty good understanding of the risks involved. So, let's get started. What is Newton? Newton is a crypto exchange that was founded in 2017. It's headquartered in Canada, and it's regulated by the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC. Newton offers a variety of services, including buying and selling cryptocurrencies, staking, and lending. It also has a mobile app that makes it easy to trade on the go. Is Newton safe? This is the question that everyone wants to know. And the answer is, it depends. There are a number of factors to consider when evaluating the safety of a crypto company. These include the company's security measures, the company's regulatory compliance, the company's track record, the company's reputation. Let's take a look at each of these factors in more detail. Security measures. Newton takes a number of security measures to protect its users' assets. These include cold storage. The vast majority of Newton's users' funds are stored offline in cold storage. This means that they are not connected to the internet and are therefore less vulnerable to hacking attacks. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. All Newton users are required to enable 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide a second form of identification, such as a text message or email code, when logging into their account. Encryption. All of Newton's data is encrypted using strong encryption algorithms. This makes it difficult for unauthorized parties to access the data. Regular security audits. Newton conducts regular security audits to ensure that its security measures are up to date and effective. Overall, Newton has a strong security posture. However, it's important to remember that no crypto company is 100% safe. There is always a risk of hacking or other security breaches. Regulatory compliance. Newton is regulated by the OSC, which is one of the world's leading financial regulators. This means that Newton is subject to a number of strict regulations that are designed to protect investors. Some of the key regulatory requirements that Newton must comply with include Know Your Customer, KYC, rules. Newton is required to collect and verify personal information from its users. This helps to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. Anti-money laundering, AML, rules. Newton is required to implement AML procedures to prevent its platform from being used for money laundering. Cybersecurity rules. Newton is required to implement cybersecurity measures to protect its users' data. Overall, Newton is highly regulated and has a strong track record of compliance. This gives users confidence that their funds are safe with the company. Newton has been in business since 2017. It has a good track record of security and compliance. There have been no major security breaches or regulatory violations reported. Newton has a good reputation among users and industry experts. It has received positive reviews from a number of publications, and it has a high rating on Trustpilot. Newton is a safe and reputable crypto company. It has strong security measures, is highly regulated, and has a good track record. However, it's important to remember that there is always some risk involved when investing in cryptocurrencies. How to stay safe when using Newton? Here are a few tips for staying safe when using Newton. Enable 2FA. This is the most important thing you can do to protect your account. Use a strong password. Your password should be at least 12 characters long and should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Be wary of phishing emails. Phishing emails are designed to trick you into giving up your personal information. If you receive an email that looks suspicious, don't click on any links or attachments. Keep your software up to date. Newton regularly releases updates to its software to improve security. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Newton app installed on your device. Be aware of scams. There are a number of scams targeting crypto users. Be sure to do your research and be aware of the red flags. Newton is a safe and reputable crypto company. It has a strong security posture, is highly regulated, and has a good track record. However, it's important to remember that there is always some risk involved when investing in cryptocurrencies. By following the tips in this article, you can help to minimize your risk and stay safe when using Newton. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you to understand the safety of Newton. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And remember, always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency.